A to Z of yummy food. A is for apple, crunchy and sweet. B is for banana, a fun yellow treat. C is for carrot, so good for your eyes. D is for donut, a yummy surprise. E is for egg, boiled or fried. F is for fries, crispy outside. G is for grapes, purple or green. H is for honey, sticky and clean. I is for ice cream, cold and nice. J is for jam, spread it twice. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and sweet. L is for lemon, sour yet neat. M is for mango, juicy and bright. N is for noodles, a tasty delight. O is for orange, full of zest. P is for pizza, it's simply the best. Q is for quinoa, tiny and small. R is for rice, we eat it all. S is for strawberry, red and round. T is for tomato, fresh from the ground. U is for ugly fruit, funny to say. V is for vanilla, in ice cream all day. W is for watermelon, juicy and cool. X is for zigua, a melon so full. Y is for yogurt, creamy and white. Z is for zucchini, a veggie so light.